Tudor has officially gone mad, and the watch world is absolutely loving it. If you thought the hyped-up pink chronograph or the recent vibrant blue releases were just a temporary phase, think again. Tudor has just unveiled an incredibly striking, bright yellow version of its signature chronograph that is destined to be the most talked-about luxury sports watch of the summer. Welcome back to Lux Pulse. Today we are breaking down the brand new Tudor Black Bay Chrono 39mm, affectionately dubbed the Bumblebee. This release proves that Tudor is completely ripping up the luxury design rulebook, raiding the paint box with a level of confidence that few other high-end watchmakers would ever dare to attempt. But this watch is a massive deal for reasons that go way beyond a bold new coat of paint. It finally fixes the single biggest complaint that enthusiasts and collectors have leveled against this model for years. Let's address the headline news first: the drastically improved case proportions. For the very first time, Tudor has shrunk the Black Bay Chrono down into a highly requested, beautifully balanced 39mm case size. Historically, this chronograph lived in a chunky 41mm housing that measured a thick 14.4mm. While it had a lot of wrist presence, many felt it was simply too top-heavy and slab-sided for daily comfort. The new Bumblebee completely eliminates that issue by introducing dimensions that the watch community has been begging to see. When you look at the actual footprint on the wrist, Tudor has given this watch a highly wearable 39mm case diameter, a significantly slimmer thickness of just 13.1mm, and a very compact lug-to-lug distance of 47mm. Trimming the thickness down to just 13.1mm completely transforms how this watch wears on the wrist. It balances rugged utility with genuine luxury ergonomics. It is now actually slimmer than an automatic Omega Speedmaster, making it a highly wearable option that easily slides under a shirt cuff while retaining its robust structural sturdiness and 200 meters of water resistance. Now, let's talk about that face. The vivid yellow dome dial is an absolute showstopper. Tudor has paired this sunny backdrop with hollowed-out deep black sub-registers at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. This high-contrast aesthetic creates a bold, racing-inspired personality that looks set to be an instant hit for the summer. The color scheme is a brilliant nod to watch history. It is deeply reminiscent of the bold mechanical racing chronographs that defined the 1970s, while simultaneously recalling Tudor's highly collectible yellow tiger chronographs from the 1990s. Thankfully, the matte finishing on the dial prevents it from looking overly flashy or cheap under direct sunlight. It gives the watch a practical, utilitarian air that beautifully balances the exuberance of the color. Combined with the iconic snowflake hands, a brand signature since 1969, legibility is absolutely flawless. The Bumblebee joins the ranks of the pink Flamingo blue and Lagoon blue models, cementing Tudor's willingness to embrace a colorful, playful side that traditional luxury watchmakers shy away from. Beneath that eye-catching yellow exterior, Tudor left absolutely no room for compromise. They managed to shrink the case footprint without sacrificing an ounce of performance. Powering the Bumblebee is the manufacture chronograph caliber MT-5-813. This heavy-hitting COSC certified automatic movement features an advanced column wheel, a vertical clutch system, and a silicon balance spring. Operating at 4H, it delivers a punchy 70-hour power reserve, meaning you can leave it off over the weekend, and it will still be ticking perfectly on Monday morning. To match the refined case, Tudor also upgraded the steel hardware. The watch comes on a newly designed rivetless 3-link stainless steel bracelet with smooth sides. Crucially, it features the brand's practical T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp. This tool-free micro-adjustment system offers 5 positions, allowing you to instantly extend or shorten the bracelet by up to 8 millimeters. It is an absolute lifesaver for maintaining comfort during hot summer days when your wrist expands. If we pull back the curtain on the complete spec sheet, everything about this reference screams high performance. You are getting that beautifully downsized 39mm by 13.1mm case, the top-tier manufacture caliber movement, a massive 70-hour power reserve, and a robust 200 meters of water resistance. All of this is tied together with that incredibly versatile T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp system on a stainless steel bracelet. The best part is that Tudor is offering all of this premium hardware for a UK retail price of exactly £5,270. Given the premium engineering inside, the vastly improved case geometry and the upgraded bracelet, this represents some of the absolute best value for money in the modern luxury market. Try finding a column wheel, vertically clutched Swiss chronograph of this caliber anywhere near £5,000. It simply doesn't exist. While it isn't a strictly numbered limited edition, it is part of the exclusive Daring Watches range, meaning allocation at local boutiques will be highly competitive, and buy-in waitlists will form quickly. It perfectly continues one of the most inexorable trends in modern horology: the rise and rise of the brightly coloured luxury sports watch. What do you think of this release? Is the bright yellow dial the ultimate summer companion you've been waiting for, or is it just too loud for your wrist? Let's spark a debate in the comments section below. I reply to every single one. If you want to stay ahead of the watch market with honest, data-driven analysis, smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in to Lux Pulse. Keep time beautifully, and I'll see you in the next one.